Eric with the Kleen-Rite sales team. Coming at you today with another great product we have. These are the HydroForce flash cuffs. Throughout the course of the day, a lot of times I'll talk to customers, especially in the express car wash industry, where they're looking to extend their vacuum hoses or they're looking to be able to take their hoses off at night. This is a very quick, easy, and convenient way to do that. They basically work like your regular quick connects. There's a male side and a female side. They just snap together. So just like all the other vacuum parts, what they do is they reverse thread onto the vacuum hoses. And the cool thing about them is I know some of the express guys like using the 1.5 inch hoses, and a lot of those stanchions come with the 2 inch. This adapter coupler, this will turn a 1 inch or 1.5 inch vacuum hose to a 2 inch. Just snaps together. They pull tight. They swivel in here so they're not going to kink and knot up. And at night, if you need to take them off, you just hit the button, take it out. They come in 2 inch to 1.5 inch. And then they also come in 2 inch to 2 inch. So if you need to extend your vacuum hoses, your 2 inch vacuum hose a little longer, this is a fantastic tool to have. And the great things about these things are how sturdy they are. Again, they just snap in, click together. So I got two 2 inch vac hoses pulled together. If you notice, they swivel. So if people are pulling on them or hanging on them, or if they get caught on somebody's mirror, these things are gonna hold tight. They're not gonna break apart. Matt, come on in here real quick. Now we're not gonna go crazy here, but if you pull them apart together like this, they're not coming apart. So they're very sturdy, very heavy duty plastic. And again, one button quick release, you can take your hose back into the office. And we do have these in stock. If you have any questions, call in the Kleen-Rite, 1-800-233-3873. Talk to anybody in the sales department, we'll be more than happy to help you. But these things are great items. I know a lot of customers are looking for things like this to make it quick and easy for their guys to clean up at night. These are the tools to have.